a cup of flour, Dietrich, dear God. if you could just work a little harder, that'd be great. Yeah, it looks heavenly, even though you dip set like halfway through. I mean, how do you feel about that? How do you feel about cleaning right now, huh? We got a little bit of clean. I tell you, Dietrich, D, who's gonna help me clean? Oh boy. Whew. A little bit of a project. I don't know if I'm cooking with kids anymore. It's okay. It's all right. Not the first time a guy left me. That's not funny. That's the truth. Man down. Oh look, it's like that over there. I'm gonna crush you. Crushing the competition. You gotta scream. You gotta because we have a little bit of a height discrepancy, we're gonna have to adjust it. Should I just like bake the whole thing like your size, your height? No. Okay. Off to a great start, guys. I'm a really good cook, but I'm an even better aunt. What are we baking today, Dietrich? Chocolate banana cupcake. Okay, this is not scripted, so if you could just act like you know what you're doing, we're good, right? Okay, so we got the bananas. Here's the bananas. Just put it over there. Hi, my name's Heidi, and I'm extremely bossy. Right here. You look for the chocolate, and then I don't think it's gonna be in the freezer.
Does it require 7-Up?
It doesn't require 7-Up. I'm making chocolate.
Is this the chocolate?
That's no, it's cocoa powder. Okay. Oh, okay.
I'm not a good looker.
Not good at anything, it seems like. I think you're just opening and closing the refrigerator.
I know.
It's not really getting a lot done. You're the best personal assistant. We found the cocoa powder, right? So, back to making chocolate cocoa cupcakes in here till it's fully lined, so we don't have to clean up, because we don't like to clean up, do we? No. I mean, quick, we're on a time crunch. My God.
Sorry.
What are you doing? We're personal assistants. There we go. One per. We're rationing. This is in the middle of a pandemic, okay?
Okay.
Don't you forget it. So right now we're having our personal assistant Dietrich line the cupcake pan with cupcake liners. Okay, great. I'm having a little bit of a listening problem lately. Okay, we got 2 eggs and we crack them in there. Dietrich, you're right in the frame. Right in the frame, okay? Okay, can you at least pretend to do... Here, hold the bowl, okay? There we go. So we got 2 eggs in here. There we go. Can you see them? Now, if you can put that on there, then you're going to be quizzed. Can you actually do this machine? He said he's used it before. I don't know if that was...
I haven't used the machine. I've used
Oh, really? It looks like you have. Dear God, don't break it. Wait, no, Dietrich. Okay, out of the way, out of the way. Here, do something entertaining, okay? 2 eggs. Where's the vanilla? Over here. And pop it. Splash. It's a teaspoon. I know what I'm doing. Over here. Blocking the camera on that one. Okay, focus. Now we add half a cup of oil. Dietrich, over here. Hi. Show the cameras. Half a cup of oil. Do you like oil? This is gonna clog our arteries. This is gonna be low carb, right? So there's a quarter cup, so we're gonna add 2 of them. So 1 cup, a little higher, come on. Okay, 2. It's actually a lot easier with an extra, oh, and these are definitely not low cal. So half a cup of oil, and then the bananas. So we're gonna add 2 bananas. So, do you want it super banana-y or no?
No.
You don't like bananas?
I loathe bananas.
Wait, we're making banana cupcakes.
I know.
Are you gonna eat these?
Yes.
Okay.
As long as they're cupcakes, I'm fine with it. But I loathe bananas.
But you can't say that. You gotta. That's not what the people want to hear. Okay. Just say you love banana. Okay, and then add the bananas in here. Get the bowl back.
Then why don't you?
Is this gonna go? This is gonna go everywhere. I love this shirt. Why am I not wearing an apron? Okay, so you mix the wet ingredients first. This is not.
This.
I'm so scared it's gonna go all over me. It totally is, huh?
Why won't? Can I try?
you can hold it. Okay, I'm gonna do it from afar, so if it goes on you. Okay, no, that's good. Shoot, hold up. We'll leave chippity chop.
I'm sorry, I'll get that later.
Of course you will. Gotta do safety first. So right now we have the wet ingredients inside, and now you could turn it on. Good job. You gotta mix all that up, and then you can help me spin it. See? You spin the bowl. Good job. We just mix the wet ingredients. Bananas, the oil, and everything else that's delicious, and the eggs too. So, okay, don't fall, dear God. Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients. So 7 of these, okay? 7, but you gotta make sure that they're like tapped off. You know what I mean, Dee?
Yeah.
Have you done those before? Where you gotta make sure it's flat. So you go tap, tap, tap. Here.
I just scrape them
Let's
off.
show the viewers. So you go like that, and then you just scrape it off. So make sure it's even. And then that's 1. The salt, which is 1 1/4 teaspoon. So I'll get that. Himalayan salt. 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. So that's the last thing we need. I'm just gonna use Hershey's cacao.
This is 1/2 cup.
Okay, that's 1/2 cup. So you could do that.
I remember
Probably gonna need Nana. Are you sure? This is a 1/4 cup, silly. We'll do 2 of these. Nana's gonna need to do some sweeping because you know, you and me don't really do a lot of cleanup. Oh my God, that's way too much. Well, so we'll do the next one last. Okay, put it in there. How many more? Are you done with the flour?
What?
Did you do 7 of the flour?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's it because we had a bit.
Oh yeah, we had extra. These are gonna be here. You could do it. Now it's time to whip it up. Okay. So we can mix it all up together. So there you go. You gotta be.
I'm waiting for Q.
You gotta be careful. Are you careful?
for
Safety
Q.
first. 1, 2. Hold it down. Everybody's safe. Don't you worry. And go. It's gonna get everywhere. Good job, Dietrich. You grew up so fast. Okay. Well, leave it
Long.
Okay, so what
So
I'm going to do,
long.
I'm going to take these out. There. And you could lick these later. My God, what are you? It looks like you're going through
An earthquake.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take these little things out.
I'm not a good cameraman.
You could try. I'll move with it. It looks like I'm surfboarding. Okay, so we ran into a little bit of a hiccup, roadblock issue. What's the deal, D? What's going on? It's a little dry.
We
Are in Arizona and it's super hot, and sometimes, depending on the temperature, it's like 108 degrees outside. You might need to add more or less moisture, but yeah, we're just gonna add 1/2 cup of soy milk. Hopefully this goes well. The cupcakes are gonna turn out great because I'm making them, okay? So we're gonna add 1/2 cup of soy milk, and yeah, so let's do that. Okay, I'll do it, and then you can start mixing it again. Scrape down the sides. Do you want to start doing that? Sure. There you go. Chippity chop. Okay, there you go. Just a little.
I never thought I'd get a rubber spatula this messy.
Okay, well, you know, now your mind's been a little expanded, okay? There's new horizons. We're just going along. Your mom's gonna kill me. No, she's not. I thought this would make more. This looks like it's making 8 cupcakes. Okay, I want to make a double batch, guys, but we'll see. How's the mixing going? Did I say you could stop? I think. Okay, well, you know, come on. It's a tough job being an aunt. Tough gig, guys.
We're gonna need a real spatula.
He's gonna need. You're gonna give the viewers vertigo, okay? So we're gonna. Now my hands are all that. So it came out pretty good actually for the consistency right there. Okay, and we are just going to scoop that.
Filming.
Oh shoot. Okay.
All
right, so
we were not filming.
We were not filming now. Oh, I missed that part. So we have the cupcake lime tins, and then I'm just gonna scoop it in here. Actually, why don't you put that down, Dee, and you can hold the cupcake thing, okay? No, right here. Here, folks. Right over there. So I'll do that. Just, you gotta be still, okay? You wanna see that? Look at our nice disorganized living room. How about over here? Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hope these turn out good. Here's nothing.
Otherwise.
Shh. None of the kid comments, okay? We got 1. How many do you think this is gonna make? We should have a contest. How many? Focus, Dee. Dear God, just keep it still.
As many as we can make.
As many as we can make. Okay, it looks like we're 1 man down. So this was cooking with kids. Now it's kind of cooking with kids. What I'm doing right now is I'm just cleaning up the cupcake pan so that it's all neat. So you can see. I really overfilled them. I recommend just filling them 3/4 of the way. And so then I have a little bit of oil on a paper towel. So you just gotta dab it on. And then I wipe the sides of the cupcake tin with oil because as I can already tell it's gonna overflow, you want them not to stick because then it's gonna be an issue when they try to come out. So yeah. Just pop these into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And yeah, so here we go. Just let them bake and already ready. Set the timer. Timer. I still have the camera small for. And I'm going to set it for 20 minutes. And in about 15 minutes, I'm going to grab some toothpicks and I'm going to stick them in the cupcakes. If it comes out clean, that means they're done. If the cupcake comes out a little dirty, that means that they need to continue baking. So, yeah, that's all. It's been exactly 16 minutes. I'm going to go check on them. And oh my God. Remember how I said I kind of overfilled them? Well, I like really overfilled them, but it looks like they're kind of done. I'm gonna take them out of the oven. They're huge, huge. Remind you of anybody? Oh my God, these look so good. It's extremely hot and I'm kind of burning my fingers right now, so I'm gonna put them down. But gotta do the cupcake toothpick test. Cupcake toothpick test. Look at that. Look at it. Nothing. Not a crumb in sight. So that means they're ready. I'm going to let them cool in the pan. You could take them out right now, but I don't want to burn my fingers because these are precious. And yeah, so I'll be back in like 5 minutes, okay? Any idea how big the cupcakes come out? Ready to find out?
I think they're gonna be very thick and fluffy.
Oh yeah. What do you think? It's hot. Don't touch it. Give it a sec. So we were going to frost them, decorate them, but you know, with a 9-year-old, and that's gonna take too much time. So we're just gonna test try them right now. Now, pretty good. Check it out. How do you think they came out?
Trying to eat before 4 or 5.
Possibly good.
Possibly. Okay, here we go. You get to pick it. You get to pick one. Don't touch all of them. Choose one. Okay, pick that. And then. So, here, we could take a part of it. I mean, you could take a bite and I'll take a bite out of it, but look at that bad boy, guys. They came out pretty good. So they came out fluffy. Okay.
Came out.
You want to be the taste try? You gotta
out.
try it on. Look, I took a hit. Took a hit on my shirt. Okay, let me know what you think. And then, what do you think? Okay, my turn. Dear God, I want some.
Tastes like a normal cupcake. Pretty good.
Ooh, that came out pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, I'd say make these again. Pretty good.